Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of RedzBuildz. Today I'm using a mic, and that's because I am doing a tutorial on an easy system which you can use for a lot of things. I'll just show you what this does. You can also use this as a really simple dispenser for minecarts in train station, though you do have already. You can also already shoot minecarts out of dispensers, but whatever. If you want a old one which you need to build, then this one is maybe very good. You just need to put pistons over here with a, I don't know, maybe a line where the cart falls on, and then you know it goes over there. Now this also works. It works in 1.5 and and the 1.4.6 and 1.4.5. I'm not really sure if it works in the other versions, but so basically this works also with if people are in the cart. I'll just show you what it does right now. See, so it just goes through this block, and it goes onto this, and it goes, then it touches this block, which pushes it up, and it goes through the block again, and that happens the whole time. And so yeah, that's basically what it is. So if you want to use it for a train station or something, you can just sort of do just like this, and then just I'm just gonna do it a little quick, and then oh yeah, I've updated my sandstone a little bit because I didn't like the first design, but yeah, I don't know, I still need to update a little bit for 1.5, so I'll do the download later when I'm done with 1.5. So whatever, you just put a lever here, and you know the piston gets pushed away, and maybe maybe you could even do, if it works, let's hope it does, because not everything that I do works in no time, so sometimes I just need to experiment a lot for it to work. Maybe I need this, and then this, just like this, and then like that, so that it all changes. And please work, shit, it doesn't work, whatever. Oh wait, I get it. Damn boy. Okay, so then this one should trigger, right? Yeah, it should. Alright, so please work. Yeah, okay, that works. Ah, come on, are you serious? Well, whatever. So if you get that to work, yeah, you should get a nice little train station, or you know, understand why am I always so trying to be so good at redstone. Jeez. So that if you do this, wait. Yeah, so now it should get to this block, and when you want it to go down here, this track, you know, then you just do this and whatever. It should work, so it's very easy to build. Yeah, it's just basically like doing this, and then doesn't really matter how high it is, right? So, but you do want this thing to glitch so that it goes like this, and then you put a block over here, and what you do want to do is, wait, let me put that one right over here. So like that, and then yeah, so that should work. And yeah, there it is. Basically, I have the idea from Sapling. He posted a video about a duplicator for pick meat, yeah, whatever. It's a dispenser which duplicates meats, food, you know, and yeah, the minecart system he used, well, it was basically, the minecart was just going right like this, you know, and then it somewhere like right over here was the dispenser, and yeah, I don't know, it's weird, but anyways, yeah, about the minecart, I thought like, you know, let's try that, let's try stuff out with it, so, and that's what I basically done, and yeah, it came out like this. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, please. I need subscribers, please. Okay, so anyways, always try to share this a lot.